We back. In a small file, I'm just gonna kind of sand this area. Hopefully get that corrosion off. That's all cleaned up. Let me just chase down this wire here. It goes here. Well, whatever this is, it's falling apart. Chase it down, it goes up. Up far away. Let's hope that it doesn't matter that much. Not really. Well, I just have to hope that works.
Is that insulation? What is that? All that yuck.
It's insulation. Get out of there. Alright. So now I'm going to go back in like that. Put this inside of there. Bolt that screw on. There we go. It has been fixed-ish, I think. Alright, let's take care of the other side.
Holy guacamole, it's cold as fuck.
I thought they were okay like 2 seconds ago. Not okay anymore?
I'm okay, but it's so cool.
Screw out. Thank you. This is super crusty. Clean off this one. Let's see how this is. Now this one's got 2 wires on it. Alright. Well, let's disconnect that. That's a little crustier. Get my file.
Car just slapped my ass.
It likes you. It's all clean now. Nice and clean. Let's make sure this is clean. Kind of. Now it's time to do some diagnostic testing here. Let's close this up for now.
So aggressive.
Close this up for now too. Where's the battery? There's the battery. We're gonna hook the battery up and check to see what kind of ground draw we have right now. We'll get this out of the way for now. This goes over. I forget how I had it in there, but I think it was like this. Get this crap out of my way. There we go, battery's installed.
I like how the battery fits.
Yes, it's not the correct battery for this vehicle, but it's close enough. Clean up the crust on this thing. I guess we did need that file. Whoops. Where'd it go? Alright, well, I guess I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, didn't you throw the file on the ground?
Yes. Well,
Alrighty.
I'm a professional, you know. Clean up all this corrosion from the inside here.
Intense cleaning.
Yep. This will turn into a fast-forward high-speed. So now I cleaned the battery off for like 2 hours because all I had was this tiny file. That will just have to do. Let's put this on. I need some wrenches. Whoa, 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 whoa,
I need some wrenches.
We got the drippy gold wrenches today, everybody.
Whoa.
Check it out.
Whoa.
They're gold, and they're pretty sweet. So we're gonna be using them today.
That's sick as fuck.
Yeah, they're pretty awesome, actually. They're double-ended, ultra deep. Yeah. Anyways, they're wrenches and they're gold, and that's all that matters.
Why are they gold?
They're titanium plated.
Oh wow.
Yeah. They're actually $1 cheaper than the regular chrome plated ones, so I decided to take them. Should be like 12.
Are there any advantages to the titanium plating?
Well, they're gold.
Okay, other than that.
Not as far as I know. But they're gold. That's my only excuse. But they're gold. Fix this. Oops. Okay, it's not 12. Must be a 10. Or 11. And, well, 11 will do anyways. Let me grab the right 11 mil wrench. I don't know. I think they're supposed to be more like weather resistant or something like that, but I haven't the foggiest clue. Tighten this up. There we go. Screw this in. Well, the negative is hooked up for now. Hope this battery still has power.
It would really suck if it didn't.
Yeah, so well, I brought a booster pack, so should be okay. Just gotta tap this terminal in a little. Oops. There we go. That's on. Now let's see, make sure this is tight. Oh, where did the golden wrench go? It's down there.
Not the golden one.
Is it gone? All right. Fixed. Let me grab the keys. We'll just try it, just for fun. Oh, there's a crack in the ground there. Oops.
Let's see if it starts up.
That probably won't, but. Well, it's still got the nice annoying buzzer sounds at least anyways. So, that's a good sign. Anyways. Next thing to do is let's close this door for a second. So I got the keys in there. It's not on right now. So I'm gonna hook up the multimeter in amp meter mode and see what kind of draw we're getting. So I've got the Mastercraft multimeter here. We are looking at 20 amps. Now the way you hook up a multimeter for amperage is you hook it up in series, not in parallel. So here we are. I got the ground connector off, and we just leave it there. Hook that on. We got a draw of 0.007 amps right now. Let me make sure that the fuse for the lights and stuff is plugged in, just so I can check that out. It's not. Excellent. Let me grab the pliers and reinstall it. So yeah, so last time when I was diagnosing this, the issue was here. Well, it's not here, it's the fuse. This fuse was the one that we had to go and install in order to fix the issue, and that's the fuse for all the lights and stuff. So now, theoretically, what kind of a reading are we getting? 0.007. Still not bad. Hey, can you go around and open the doors?
Sure.
Let's see what happens when the doors are open. 0.034. Okay. All right. 0.034. That's not bad. All right. Now let's open up the other door. I want to see what kind of draw we're getting now. Now we're getting 0.033. Well, that's not bad. With the doors open and the thing on, we're getting 0.03 amps. So that's good. That's good. Now, theoretically, if we take the key out, we should get a super low amperage draw here. All right, keys out. Hold those, please. Thank you. All right, so keys out, doors are closed. What kind of drive we got on it now? 0.003 amps. Not bad at all. That's very low. That should be good. So that should be a good draw for this vehicle. So now my next thought is did we actually fix the issue, or is it still something that's disassembled that was causing the issue before? Because it was part of the lights, and I do have the lights plugged in, but did I disassemble something before that was part of the lighting system that was, now it's still disassembled and isn't doing draw? So let's think about that.